1. Malibu Cliffside Villa. Welcome to this Malibu Cliffside Villa, a contemporary retreat perched above the Pacific with endless ocean views. Step through glass doors into an open living area where sunlight pours across white oak floors and a minimalist fireplace anchors the room. The chef's kitchen features matte quartz counters, a 6-burner range, and a pantry with walk-in storage. Floor-to-ceiling windows slide open to a terrace perfect for sunset dinners and bonfires. Down a private corridor, the primary suite offers a private balcony, spa-style bath with freestanding tub, and dual closets. 3 additional bedrooms each have ensuite bathrooms and ocean glimpses. Outside, an infinity pool appears to spill into the horizon, accompanied by a spa, al fresco kitchen, and sculpted landscaping for privacy. Smart home controls, a 2-car garage, and short access to local beaches complete this sophisticated coastal haven, where every sunrise feels like a promise. 2. Miami Biscayne Bay Villa. This Miami Biscayne Bay Villa blends tropical energy with modern luxury. Arrive via a gated drive into a lush courtyard and enter a bright living room framed by arched windows and marble flooring. The open kitchen offers 2 islands, custom cabinetry, and premium appliances, ideal for entertaining. A glass elevator connects 3 floors, guest suites, a rooftop terrace with panoramic skyline and bay views, and a private owner's level featuring a steam shower, walk-in closet, and private terrace. Step outside to an expansive waterfront deck with a private dock, heated pool, and an outdoor lounge shaded by palms. Indoor-outdoor flow is seamless thanks to pocketing glass walls. High ceilings, curated lighting, and bespoke millwork finish the interior. With direct bay access, proximity to downtown nightlife, and a design that celebrates Florida living, this villa is equal parts glamour and relaxed island life. 3. Aspen Mountain Chalet Villa. Nestled at the base of Aspen Mountain, this chalet villa mixes alpine charm with contemporary comforts. A timber-beamed great room greets you with a stone hearth, plush seating, and panoramic windows that showcase snow-capped peaks. The gourmet kitchen has a double oven, butler's pantry, and a cozy breakfast nook with mountain views. The primary suite is a private retreat, vaulted ceilings, a gas fireplace, private balcony, and a spa bath with a steam shower. 3 guest suites provide flexibility for family and visitors, and a ski room with heated racks keeps gear ready. Après-ski continues outdoors with a heated spa, fire pit, and a heated terrace that ensures winter evenings are warm and social. Additional amenities include a home theater, wine cellar, and radiant heated floors throughout. This villa embodies refined mountain living, rustic textures, luxury finishes, and a front-row seat to world-class skiing. 4. Napa Valley Vineyard Villa. Welcome to this romantic Napa Valley Vineyard Villa where old-world charm meets modern hospitality. A gated drive leads past rolling vines to an estate built with stone, warm timber, and wrought iron accents. Inside, a sunlit great room opens to a chef's kitchen with a large prep island, professional appliances, and a wine-cooling wall. The primary suite overlooks the vineyard with French doors opening onto a private terrace and soaking tub. Guest suites are individually styled, each with vineyard views and bespoke finishes. Outside, stone terraces, an herb garden, and a pergola create multiple al fresco living rooms for tastings and long dinners. A heated pool, outdoor kitchen, and a tasting room with climate-controlled storage and barrel displays complete the estate. This villa is perfect for owners who love entertaining friends, hosting private tastings, and waking to golden light on rows of grapes. 5. Palm Beach Modern Mediterranean Villa. This modern Mediterranean villa in Palm Beach fuses timeless details with bright, modern interiors. A white stucco facade, arched loggias, and clay tile roof welcome you in. Step into a dramatic foyer that leads to a formal living room, a library with built-ins, and an airy family wing. The kitchen is a host's dream, marble counters, double dishwashers, and an adjoining breakfast veranda. The primary suite is king-sized with a private terrace, dual bathrooms, and custom closets. multiple guest suites and a staff wing provide convenience. Outdoors, discover a resort-style pool surrounded by manicured hedges, a pool cabana, and panoramic lake or intracoastal views. The home includes hurricane-rated glass, a private dock, and valet parking. It's designed for gracious living, classic architectural character paired with today's comforts and a lifestyle shaped by Palm Beach elegance. 6. Santa Barbara Spanish Villa. A classic Santa Barbara Spanish villa awaits with hand-troweled plaster walls, exposed beams, and decorative tile work. Enter through an arched courtyard into a living room with a carved wood mantel and French doors opening to gardens. The kitchen pairs rustic charm with modern function, farmhouse sink, range hood, and a cozy breakfast area. The main suite sits on the ground floor with garden access, a soaking tub, and a separate marble shower. Upstairs, balconies offer ocean and mountain glimpses from guest bedrooms. Outside, mature citrus trees